Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the big giveaway you've all been waiting for. I said when I reached 150,000 subscribers, I would give away 2 drones. And if you check back here, where is it, over here? I'm at 151,000 subscribers, so time for a giveaway. This is it. Now the drone I'm giving away is the DJI Mavic Mini. I'm going to give away 2 of them, so 2 lucky viewers are going to receive this drone. Doesn't matter where you live in the world. Well, it kind of does, and I'll explain that in a second. There's a few rules to enter this contest, or I should say requirements. One is you must be a subscriber to this channel, because the only reason I'm giving away drones is because I have over 150,000 subscribers. So it's to thank all the viewers who are subscribers. So when I check your name, say I pick your name to win, I am going to match it against my subscriber list. If you're on the subscriber list, you won. If you're not on the subscriber list, I toss your name away. Next item that's very important is this. The reason I'm giving away 2 drones and the way I'm doing it is I'm going to have DJI send the drones direct to you. So basically, I have some DJI credit on their website in their DJI store. I have about $1,000 US credit, and I'm going to use that to buy 2 Mavic Minis. So all I have to do is type your address into the DJI store. Now, DJI only sends to certain countries, so you have to live in one of the following countries. Here they are. I'm going to put them on the screen. So right off the bat, we have the obvious, the Americas, so that's Canada, Puerto Rico, and United States. If you live in those, you're in. Next, we have the European countries. Take a look. The list is huge. You might want to stop the video and check this list out. If you live in one of these countries, you are in to win. Next, we have Asia Pacific, and the list is a little smaller, but check it out. If you're in one of these countries, well, DJI can send the drone to you, so you're in it to win as well. And finally, we have the Middle East, and there's just one showing. So there you have it. As long as you're a subscriber to this channel and live in one of those countries, you can actually win a DJI Mavic Mini. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to tell you the rules, so I'm just going to move over here so that I can write them down here so you can see them. All right, so rule number 1 is basically this. Well, there's only one rule, and that is basically in order to enter the contest, you just have to post a comment below this video. Now, it's very important that you only post 1 comment. If you're one of those guys who post like 27 comments and think you have 27 chances, you actually end up with 0 chances, because I have this really cool filter on my system. And if it looks for a duplicate entry from a YouTuber, you know, yourself posting a comment, it just deletes them all, so you get 0 entries. So stick with just 1 comment. Now, the comment you post is going to consist of 5 answers. So you should have 5 answers in your comment. I don't need a story or anything else. All I need is 5 answers, really quick answers. So question number 1, you ready? Write it down. I'll show it over here. Question number 1 is I need your first name, you know, what everybody calls you, your parents, what do they call you, and the first letter of your last name. So say you were Taylor Swift. Well, you would put down Taylor S. That's the answer to question number 1. How many Taylor S's am I going to get as answers? Question number 2 is basically, what country do you currently live in? So where you're sitting right now in your chair on your computer, what country is that? You know, where you get paid in your job or anything like that. Post your country. I live in Canada, so my answer to question number 2 would be Canada. So I have to see your country. Please don't lie about your country just because you can't enter, because obviously you can't win if you lie about your country. And finally, questions 3, 4, and 5. Well, the questions are all below this video, and the questions are just going to take you to a website, and basically I'm going to ask you a question. You click on that website, the answer's on the website, and you post the answer below in one of these things. So there you are. There's the 5 questions right there. Got it? And it's that easy. Now, the last few contests are kind of funny because I looked and a lot of people would just copy other people's answers, and a lot of times people get answers wrong. If you get 1 answer wrong, you're disqualified. So you might want to actually check out the websites and post the correct answer. You know, like, use your own mind. Don't just copy off everybody else. You have a better chance of winning. And now you're wondering, when is the winner announced? Well, the winner is going to be announced on Friday, September the 18th. That quick. So you have to get your comment in before Friday, September 18th. So what's going to happen for me on Friday, September 18th? I'm going to wake up. I'm going to have a coffee. And before I head to the office, I'm going to pick a winner, and then sometime during the day I'm actually going to post a video, could be anytime during the day on Friday, announcing the winner, and you'll see if you win yourself a DJI Mavic Mini. It's that simple. All right, guys, good luck. Hope you enjoyed this contest, and there's really good news, and that is that it's not the last contest. I'll be having more giveaway contests of drones. So if you're not lucky in this one, there's always the next one. All right, guys, take care, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.